What's up, everyone? Today's what we're talking about the Stihl GTA 26 mini chainsaw. Now, I hope at some point this thing will get used this weekend or next weekend. Who knows exactly? Because I still like this machine, even though this thing's been used almost quite a bit. Because, well, it's because you can see how much I spent on this machine exactly. Because it's a pretty nice looking machine. It's a good size, in my opinion. But and this thing, you have to push this down to get it to safety to get it to work, because if you don't, nothing happening. So you have to push this down to get it to safety, which it's got this chain tension right there. And I like this thing a lot because you can see it's not a bad looking machine in my opinion, but one thing I do something like this, because if you just tell this thing's been quite a lot of use on these things, you can see, it would take a 2 amp hour battery. You can see right on the heel, you can see, because because you can see how much expected this thing's gonna get used almost quite a bit, because I do like it's got the battery indicator right there, which it's kind of what I expected this thing exactly, because it's pretty much what I expected on this thing exactly, because you can see there's nothing wrong with it exactly, because you can see how much expected this thing exactly, but it will get used as either this weekend or next weekend. Who knows exactly, because it did get used last weekend though. I know that because you can tell this thing's gonna get used almost quite a bit, because you can see how much expected this thing exactly, but it's pretty how much really expected in this machine here. And I do like this machine. I really hope some point this thing will get used either this weekend or next weekend. Who knows? But I hope that this thing will get used this year for 2025 Maui season.